Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Zello app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to Zello app and you will enter. Here you can click on app first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.